1972 Chevelle SS. I am ready. I am ready to install, or rather finish this installation. It's just a matter of crimping these ends, these fittings on the lines and plugging them in. Should be a fairly simple job. We have the tools here for it. I don't know how to use it, but you know, it's hydraulic, so you know, you put the dies in there and you squeeze here and hope for the best. So the way I'm going to do this is I'm just going to match the colors. I'm not going to stress myself over this. If it doesn't work, then we'll try again. These things are easy enough to pick up. They're fairly cheap, and yeah, if I get it right, then good for me, right? Anyway, before we get started, I want to thank all the new subscribers. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoy the channel. And to all the new viewers, welcome to the channel. So let's get started. Let me set this this GoPro on my hat with the clip. Here we go, and I'll start recording again. Give me a second. I'll be right back. Okay, let's get started. Feels pretty sharp. Let's get these zip ties off of there. All right, let's throw one over here. Yep. Come on. So cut the hose, right? Oh yeah, that's plenty long. I'm gonna say we go under this radiator hose. That's about right. I say that's good. I hope it's good. Wait a minute. So this goes in like this. Let's test fit this just in case. They're kind of like, they're pointing down. I don't know if I like that. I guess it'll be all right. But then this one here has to kind of like loop around. Anyway, we'll figure it out. Okay. Oh, this was over here. Let's put that back for now. Let's get this one set up. Come on, baby. Just wonder, how is this going to look? It has to come around. Oh, wait a minute. No, it doesn't. So this one's gonna go this way, right? And then this one, I'll turn it this way. Yep, that'll work. All right, let's get this off of here. I should be using a socket, a ratchet, but I like doing things the hard way. Come on. Okay. Come on, baby. Here she comes. Nice and easy. Here, let me blow that off. Uh-oh. Is this not working? I guess it is. It's got some O-rings. Does this have any? Am I gonna need these O-rings on here? For sure. All right, let's just wipe that down. I feel like I should be playing some music or something, right? Or maybe I could just sing a song. Fly me to the moon, let me sing among the stars. Let me see what spring is like on Jupiter and Mars. In other words, hold my hand. In other words, baby, kiss me. Jesus, I suck. That's why I won't quit my day job. I can't sing. Good attempt, though. All right, let's put these on there. I feel like there should be some oil on here, but it feels like there's some on there already. So it's good enough for me. Okay, this piece goes on here. Allen key or Allen wrench. So far, so good. I'm working kind of fast here. I don't want to take up too much time. Don't want to make this a really long video. Maybe I'll edit it, some parts out. Maybe the part where I attempted to sing. I can barely do this. Come on. What do you think? That's tight enough? I think so. Okay. So this one has an O-ring. Works for me. This is the yellow one. That's this one. Let's see how that looks. Let's see how this looks on here. If I were to, oh yeah, I'll cut it right here. That's pretty. I'll cut it right, or should I cut it a little longer? You know what, that's what I'm gonna do. I'll give it a few extra inches, just in case I get it wrong. I still have a little slack, yeah. So, we're gonna cut it right at the T. Oh boy. Let's see how well this thing cuts. Right at the T. Come on, baby. Straight cut. I didn't do it in one shot. Made in China. Not that everything in China is hard to use or cheap, but yeah, I guess it is cheap. But it works. For one-time use only. Yeah. Yeah, that works for me. Okay, we'll take this back off. Come on. How does that look? It's good for me. I don't know. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. How am I doing so far? Come on. Yes. All right. All right, I don't need this to be moving, so let's stuff it under here. There you go. Hold it in place. All right. Yellow. All right. So how does this work? All right, we get this in there. That's one. That's two. No, it's not going to fall out. Put the pin in place. Wow, I hope that works. Looks kind of big. I feel like I should go up a little higher. All right, we'll lock this down. Start squeezing, I guess. Let's see. A little lower. Let's get it right in the center. That looks about right. Make sure the hose is all the way in. All right, no return. I'm gonna keep pumping until this comes to a stop here. At least that's what looks right to me. Oh yeah, it's getting really tight. Come on, baby. Another 1/16 of an inch. One more. One more. Yeah. Okay, one more. That's it. Okay. Release the pressure. Remove the pin. Wow. That looks like a professional did it. Huh. Cool. Guess the tool does work. Actually, I don't think this tool was cheap. Yeah, maybe 150, 200 bucks. All right, so the next one is the red line. Actually, red, I call it red. It's, what is it, high? The high side. Okay. Before we do that, let's get this one in place. Looks good to me. Good old adjustable wrench. I can use that for something else. Looking good so far. I do not have Freon here, so we're going to complete this install and then do another video adding the Freon. That looks pretty good. Okay, next one. Just need to put it on here so it looks clean. I think that's that line there looks like it needs a little support. We can actually add a bracket here to hold this. Get a nice chrome shiny one. Okay. So let's put this here. I don't want it to lay on the hot engine. I'm gonna say right about there is good. Right in between AC. Oh, that was nice. Look at that clean cut. Cool. All right. Let's see how that goes in there. Oh, that was too easy. Too easy. Come on. Come on. Okay. Red. Uh-oh. What's going on here? There we go. Tighten it up. Start squeezing. Right, that's about center. No, it's not. Let's lower that a little bit. Right there. Okay. Make sure the hose is inserted completely. And squeeze. Both hands. Gets pretty tight. Come on, one more. One more. That's it. Done. There you have it, folks. AC line crimp tool. Breeze to use. First time ever. If I can do it, anyone can do it. Done. Now we can return it and get a refund. There we go. Sweet. Damn it, man. What happened? That's not good. Feels like it's binding. Here we go. Okay, that one's gonna give me a hard time. What's going on? That's better. Oh, that doesn't feel good. There we go. She's in. That's not going to work. All right, let me get the proper wrench. I'll be right back. Come on, baby. Still waiting on the serpentine belt for this marsh system. It's pretty nice. Looks like it's stretched far enough already where we can't get adjustment on it anymore. So we're waiting on that. And then we're going to swap that out because it squeals like hell. Come on, almost there. Yeah. Done. All right, I'll get a little bracket put here to hold it up in place, and that's done. That is done. Hey, check out this tool. Where's the tool? Here's a tool here. Look at how this gets adjusted. So you loosen these up, right? These Allen head screws, or bolts rather. Put the new belt on, and you adjust it here. You put these in here like this, and then you just turn this. You turn it down, it separates it, so it puts tension on it, and you turn it this way, and it releases it. It's pretty cool. That's the only way to do it. Or you can just stick a crowbar in there or something and pull on it, but you'll scratch it all up. Anyway, folks, that's it. That was pretty easy. So I can call it a day. Go in the house. Anyway, folks, thanks for watching. And my apologies for the long video. but that's what it takes. Anyway, thanks again. We'll see you guys soon. Bye.